In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for internal tools. By the end, you'll know how to plan, build, and share a simple internal system your team can actually use. First, plan your internal tool. Decide what it will manage, like employee requests, project tracking, inventory management, or meeting notes. Sketch the main tables you'll need, the fields inside each one, and how they relate. A quick whiteboard or notes app works great. List your core items, such as tasks, employees, requests, or inventory. Then note the key details each should store and which items connect to each other. This upfront planning prevents messy rework later. Next, create a base. Log into Airtable on desktop, click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch, and name it for the tool's purpose, so everyone recognizes it instantly. Clear names help your team find and trust the tool. Now set up tables and fields. Create tables for the core components you planned, like tasks, requests, employees, or inventory. Choose field types carefully. Single line text for names, number for quantities, date for due dates, single select for statuses, and linked record for relationships. Set a strong primary field, like a task name or item SKU, so records are easy to identify. Consistent field types make your data reliable and usable. Link your tables. Use linked record fields to connect related tables, for example tasks to employees or requests to projects. This turns your base into a relational tool, letting you see who's responsible, what's connected, and how work flows. You can use lookups and rollups later to summarize related info without duplicating data. Create views for users. Start with a grid view for full data. Add a Kanban view for pipeline or status, and a calendar view for deadlines. Build filtered views so each department sees only what matters to them. Hide fields that aren't needed, sort by priority or due date, and color by status for quick scanning. Clear view names keep everything intuitive. Quick reminder, the link to the Airtable website is at the top of the description, so you can open it and build alongside this tutorial. If you prefer the desktop app, the download link is there as well. Optionally, add interface elements. Use Interface Designer to create simple dashboards, buttons for quick actions, or record summaries for managers. This makes the tool easier for non-technical teammates. Test the tool. Enter sample data and confirm linked records connect correctly, views update as expected, and filters and sorting behave. Fix any mismatched field types or confusing labels now. Finally, share with your team. Use Sharebase or Interface Designer sharing. And set permissions so the right people can view or edit. That's how you can use Airtable to build internal tools and improve business workflows. Thanks for watching.